Hey there, friends! Welcome back to our channel, Limitless Motivation. Today, we're diving into the world of mindset transformation. It's time to unlock your full potential and become the best version of yourself. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your success. It's not about what you achieve, but how you achieve it. So, let's break down the key components of a positive mindset. First and foremost, embrace a growth mindset. Believe that you can learn and improve, and that your abilities can grow. Secondly, focus on the process, not just the outcome. Enjoy the journey and celebrate the small wins along the way. Thirdly, practice gratitude. Be thankful for what you have and appreciate the opportunities that come your way. Finally, cultivate resilience. Bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. By adopting these mindset principles, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. So, let's get started on our journey to limitless motivation and mindset transformation. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. Stay positive, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward.